So you're starting a job as a turf mechanic and you're on very limited cash, or you have no cash. Maybe you have tools around the house and you're not sure what you're going to need, and you just can really only get the basics. So I just want to go over some of the tools that I use almost every day, all day long, in case you are strapped on cash and you have a little bit and you just want to buy the stuff that you know you're going to use right away and you can buy more later. Here's some of the stuff right here. So the most common wrenches that I'm finding myself using all day, especially if you're working on reels, you're going to want the 3/8 to be adjusting reels, your reel to bed knife contact and stuff, and motor bolts and stuff. You got your 10 millimeters, your 13 millimeter, 14 millimeter, basically your 1/2 inch and 9/16 you're going to use all the time. And then on some of your bigger bolts, your 5/8 and 3/4. Now, if you don't have the money to buy a complete wrench set, definitely have these to start off. And of course, when all else fails, you have your adjustable and a set of pliers. Now, you also, when things get a little bit tougher, you want to have some type of impact gun. All right. And with the impact gun, it's going to be hard to get this into tight spots sometimes. So make sure you get yourself different size extensions to go on your impact gun. Also, your impact gun, you're probably only going to buy one size if you're strapped for cash. So make sure you get these adapters here, which will convert your socket sizes. You'll be able to use different sizes with that impact gun. All right. Also, your standard socket drivers you're going to need, and some of the most common sockets that you're going to need. And get deep ones. Certainly for your spark plugs, the most common spark plug size is 5/8. So you definitely want to have one of them. You're always going to be doing spark plugs. Lug nuts and stuff like that. I find myself using these a lot. This is a 3/4, and this one here is a 13/16. They're my most common lug nut sizes here. And other things that you're going to be diagnosing a lot on small engines, so you definitely want to have a light tester. This is your spark plug tester. Electrical tape, zip ties. These things really save your life here. Set of crimpers for when you're doing wire work, and a set of snips. You're going to be snipping zip ties, snipping wires, snipping things. This is a must-have. Get a multimeter. You're going to be using that a lot. All right, and to make life easier, get yourself a nice wire stripper. All right, I actually started off with a basic wire stripper, and this one's just really nice. It just grabs the wire and it strips it for you. If you can get one of these, it's really nice. Also, you'll be doing a lot of electrical work, so try to pick up yourself a set of this if your company doesn't already have it, with all the different connectors and stuff. You want to do nice, neat work. And one thing you really want to do if you're diagnosed, you're going to be diagnosing a lot of machines, is if you have extra parts laying around, junk machines, cut off the adapters, because you're going to be doing, like right now I'm working on this machine up here, and the problem it's having is the PTO is not engaging the blades. So there's a lot of safety switches on this machine, but make yourself some jumpers, you know, cut off connectors from old machines or whatever, and leave 2 wires hanging. These are the most common connectors on your Toros and Jacobsons, so you can use these as jumpers when you need them, if you need to test if certain switches are bad and stuff. But that's basically all the common stuff that I use on a typical daily basis. And every mechanic's going to be different. There's going to be guys watching this video going, how could you forget this tool or this socket or this adapter? But this is just the stuff commonly that I find myself using all day long. And if you're limited on tight on cash, if you get these things, you'll find yourself being able to get through, you know, a good couple of weeks at least, until you get some more money to get the rest of the stuff. Please, guys, give me a subscribe below. It takes 1 second. Give me a thumbs up. I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I do these videos every day. And if you're just starting out at your job, come back and check my videos. I have a lot of stuff that'll help you get through the day. All right, I'll see you guys next time.